Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. I wanted to take a moment today and talk about how we arrive at a value whenever we're appraising your car as a trade-in. So I'm standing here today with a beautiful 2016 Camry we have on the lot. So I wanted to go over the things that we do consider and the things that we don't consider when appraising your vehicle. So the big things that we look at will first off be tire tread depth, brake pads, and mechanical condition. Make sure it's functioning well, that there's no warning lights or anything like that. Because whenever we go to sell your car, before we do so, we have to do a thorough safety inspection to make sure it's a vehicle that we're confident enough to sell and put our name behind. So that being said, we have to account for a certain unknown factor, and we try to know as much of that factor as we can, but there's always going to be a little bit up in the air. We don't entirely disassemble your vehicle when we're looking at it. So that's something we have to factor in. And then beyond that, we'll look for cosmetic issues, stuff like scratches, dings, dents. All those affect the value a little bit, but they're certainly not the end of the world. And then we'll also look at what sort of features your car has. So you can have two cars the same year and mileage, but if one is a higher trim, that does get you more money. Now, things that don't get you more money are your car being a little bit cleaner than another one. So if you're on your way in, don't waste 20 bucks on a car wash thinking that you're going to get it back. Whatever car you get, we are going to do a full detail on it. So if you have any questions about how much your car is worth, feel free to call or stop by, and you can also check out, I'll have a link in the description, our trade-in valet tool. So if you're just kind of pondering a potential purchase or not sure what you want to do yet, or just get a feel for where you're at in terms of equity, we have a free tool that will allow you to get an actual range for how much we'd be able to provide for your vehicle. So call or stop by today. Jonathan at Darrow Kia Madison. Let us know any way we can help.